Okay, so this year I'm doing some upgrades to the chiller box that I built for my fog machine. I'll leave a link in the description up above where you can click to see the original build of the chiller box. But it does have an old pool vacuum cleaner cord that I've got running through it. It's an old cooler. And what we do, we set the fog machine up. It blows in through this side here, goes around through all the tubing, and comes out on this side here. This side is full of ice, usually, or dry ice, just to chill down the air of the fog as it goes through. But this year I'm modifying the chiller box and adding an inline fan to help push the fog along a little faster. I'll get these hoses re-zip tied so the lid'll shut. But just an old cooler, painted it black, a few little modifications, and we have an upgraded chiller box. I'll fill the cooler up with regular ice or dry ice so it'll chill down the fog as it passes through this piping here inside the cooler, and then goes out through the inline fan. And I've placed it inside my crypt that I built last year just to disguise and hide the chiller box and the fog machine. The black pipe comes out the end of the crypt and extends out into the cemetery. Okay, so I've got the fog machine. It's butted up against my chiller that is connected to my inline fan that I've got there, connected to some drain pipe that takes the fog on out into the cemetery. So with the chiller box and the fogger inside the crypt, you can't even see that it's there. We'll go ahead and test this out tonight. I'm not going to be using any dry ice or ice. Temperatures this evening are going to be around 67 degrees. We'll see how well it works all natural without the ice.